Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a bloom and we're going to try using my little Revlon dryer to blow out the middle. Just to see what will happen. It may not work, we may have to scrape and redo, but let's give it a go. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pillow down. This is also the base coat. This is our house paint satin finish. I picked out some pretty colors today. I'm using Kiwi. These are all the Primary Elements colors from Color Art. Love, love, love these. So I definitely want to put a little more color down since we're going to be blowing. So I'm not sure how far it's going to go. Okay, so on top of that, I want to use this black cherry. I just love this color. It's got a mauve violet to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I like to draw a circle when I'm putting my color down so that it's not piling it all in the middle. So that way it won't sink into the pillow. Then we're going to go with Caribbean Mist. I mixed these up a few days ago, so they should still be perfect to use. I have some in there since September that I've been using, and they work perfectly fine. And I got a little sloppy on that one, didn't I? That's okay. Alright, and then we're going to finish it off with Sunset Glow. I wanted to keep this one a little brighter. So my contrast is definitely the black cherry. A little bit more of that one. I see one bubble I need to pop. Well, I'll just check them all, make sure they're not bubbles. You do this while you're laying it down. You'll not have those pockets. Okay, so let's get our cell activator. This is just Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with the Australian Floetrol. I'm going to put a little more because we're going to blow with the hair dryer. Who knows, it may not work. I'm game. Alright, I'm going to mute the microphone so that this doesn't hurt your ears. So hold on. Well, that definitely pushed all the white out, didn't it? So I'm just sitting here waiting for it to come back in. A little too forceful, I think. And that was just on the cool setting. So that's the first click. It does have a low, but I don't want to add heat. Well, let's just see if this comes together a little bit more before I stretch. That may open up as I'm stretching, and we may get some more cells. Either that or it blew the pillow up and over. We'll see. So let's see. Let's go this way first. I'm not down to the canvas, so that's good. Otherwise it wouldn't be moving. I'm gonna come this way. Yeah, it's not opening up at all. So what I can do is put a little bit of puddle inside of that and blow again. Instead of scraping, we'll work with what we've got. And bring it back to the middle. Okay. Let me wipe my hands. So we have some outer cells, which are kind of cool. Alright, so let's go in with the black cherry. It's okay to add more. We can stretch it out. And then I'll do the Caribbean. Do the kiwi. Mixed it up just a little bit. And it's sitting right on top of that pillow, so we're good. And then we'll do the sunset glow. And then our cell activator. Alright, let's see what we can get. I gotta push my hair back, it will have hair in it. Ponies up, girls. Okay. Alright, we'll let that set. I'm not liking that hole we got there. So let me grab my turkey baster. See if I can blow some white over that. That works. Alright, I'm definitely going to be stretching this one out because I absolutely love the center. I love that sunset glow mixed with the kiwi and the Caribbean in the middle. So I definitely want to keep that. Still not moving good yet. So see when I'm moving that, how that one part in the middle is sticking? You don't want to move yet because that will stay there and crush those cells. So I'm moving it back and forth to see if I can get it to come with me. It's like, come on. We don't want to play around you. Alright, I think we're good to go. this way first. I'm just going to take it to that black cherry. I see so many girls struggling so hard to get these cells. Maybe when we try another recipe, maybe that will be different. But I know Tammy Anderson can do it with just paint and water, so if you haven't checked out Tammy's channel, please do that. She has done some amazing blooms with different recipes. I've done them with our bottled paints with no silicone, and then got very, very good results. I also have used our jarred paint and mixed it with the base from Sherwin-Williams. And those worked really well. Jenny posted a video on those with our paint. It's so slow waiting for these to tilt. But I am loving that little bit of cell action I have on the outside of the black cherry. So once this corner gets touched, I'm going to stretch that out because I don't want to lose that. I think it looks pretty cool. See that right there? Whoops. I don't want to lose that. So let's take it down to this corner. So we have a layer upon a layer, which is kind of cool. It gives it a lot more depth. So I'm hard tilting now to get it to flow. There's plenty of paint on there to make this move. Just want to get that down just a little bit more. There we go. Just wanted to get it to that one spot. Now I'm going to bring it back. I love how the kiwi showed up in this one, the green. It's definitely going to be a beautiful highlight color. And the black cherry is my contrast. So right there. Gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? I just love those centers. So I'm going to leave that right there. Subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. We're going to be doing a lot of new techniques this year. This one is definitely January blooms. We are bringing this to the channel. Also, check us out on Monday nights. We're live every Monday night at 9 p.m. right here on our channel. We do about 4 or 5 paintings. Alan paints with me. We do occasional giveaways, and announcements are made on Monday nights about upcoming things. And join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. If you're interested in getting our paints, that link is below in the description if you want to try them out. There's a couple bubbles there I'm going to pop with my skewer. Also, shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. I do have some of the bloom ingredients in my Amazon shop, so you don't have to go too far to look. The Aussie Floetrol, you can find that on eBay, or you can order it from the Art Shed online. It's very expensive, but it's worth every penny to get those results in the middle like that. If you're struggling to get that, you definitely want to get the Aussie Floetrol because it does work. Once we figure out an American version, besides using the wood conditioner, we'll be the first to let you know. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.